Yo, I'm back. I know it's been a bit since I did a vlog episode and I left you hanging on the WRX after the tune and didn't follow it up with any driving videos. But today I got it out and I'm gonna go drive it. And I saw a little puff of smoke when I started it, so I'm assuming my turbo oil seals are bad. So that's great. But I'm hoping to get some raw sound today and answer some questions that people have about it, kind of do like a little bit of a build breakdown. So I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna drive up the canyon, one of my favorite canyons here in Utah. It's called the Alpine Loop, super windy, super pretty. And try and get some video for you and some raw sound. Sounds like someone's motorcycle is about to blow up, but here's the startup. It gets a little ricey, but to start, you're gonna notice sound-wise, it's an equal length header and an external wastegate. So, and then from there it's a 3-inch straight pipe. So it really screams, like it doesn't rumble a ton like a Subaru a little bit because it's not a divided up pipe to the turbo. But it revs out a little bit higher. I can rev this engine to 8,000. So with those equal length headers and a big turbo and external wastegate, it really screams. So hopefully the mic on this camera works well enough to hear it. We'll see. So with the Precision 5858, it has tons of lag. Like, I'm not gonna lie. And especially since it's a 2-liter engine with non-AVSC heads, but I have a shorter gear ratio because I have a Japanese 6-speed transmission, and that really helps because the gears are quick and it gets spooled up, it gets under load quick. But once you keep it wrapped out, you don't lose that much boost between shifts and it just rips. It's like riding a 2-stroke. That's like the best way to describe it. Here's the start of the canyon. Pretty sick, right? So my car's completely gutted. There's no sound deadening material, so hopefully you can hear anything other than rattles. Today, we dropped all of our summer line of Supertuner products. Ooh. There's hats, stickers, different shirts. Go check it out. Support what we do. Thank you. We love you. Now, I'm at the good part of the canyon where the Alpine Loop starts, and it's a 2-lane road. It's like divided, and then it gets really tight and windy. So let's see if we can get some good sound down here where it's not as fast. There won't be as much wind noise. Okay, look, I get it. It's a WRX, it's not the fastest car, but the feedback you have, all the tactile feel, the suede steering wheel, the short ratio gearbox, the circuit racing seats, and just keeping it wrapped out to 8,000 RPMs just feels so good. I wish all of you could just feel it. I'm scared of losing the camera. Much like a road you'd see on a rally stage. Honestly, when I was younger and I bought this car, oh my gosh. When I bought this car, I was super inspired by Tarmac Rally and drove this road a lot with friends, and it was a blast, and that's like what I built my car for at different stages. Now it's not so well suited for this, but I still love this road. Pretty busy road nowadays, though. You have to be pretty careful on it. Like, check out this corner right here. Tell me this isn't WRC. Made it to the top. Check this out. So I wanted to shoot this video today, show a little bit of where the car is at right now so we can see where it's going. There's some good stuff in the works I'm pretty hyped on. So hopefully you guys like the sound. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Check out this canyon if you're local. Be safe though, it's really busy. And stay tuned. Rad gear on the site. Click the link right here to pick some up. And let friends know about the channel. Help us get the subscribers up so we can make more cool videos. Later.